Let's find out. Find out some information about the constitution of any one country of your choice with the help of the following points. This you all are going to do it on your own. Is it okay? What you have to do? You have to find out the information about the constitution of any one country, okay, of your choice with the help of the following points. What are you going to find in that? The name of the country, how is the constitution over there, then year of the making of the constitution, okay, then two features of the constitution. Yes, you can find it out on the net also. Clear? So this you have to do it. Do you know the administration of the countries like America, USA and England, UK, okay, America, USA, United States of America, England, okay, United Kingdom, is carried out as per their respective constitution. They are having their different constitution, but these two constitutions are very much different. See, the American Constitution came into force in 1789. It is a written constitution. What? It is a written constitution and has only how many articles? 7 articles. Even after 225 years, the American government follows the same constitution. So USA, United States of America, is following the same constitution since 225 years. Okay. England has a long history of several centuries. The rules of running the country here are found in the form of conventions, norms, and traditions. Yet they are followed meticulously. The Magna Carta of 1215 marks the beginning of the development of English constitution. Here it was the beginning. Even though there are certain written rules, the English constitution is considered to be primarily unwritten. Means USA, that constitution is supposed to be the written constitution, and England, English constitution is supposed to be unwritten. Okay. Necessity of a constitution means why it felt that it is very much necessary of a constitution to form a constitution. What was the reason behind it? Okay, so there are several advantages of governing a country with the help of rules or provisions included in a constitution. Yes, means if we have to run the country, there are many advantages if we are going to run that country with proper rules, okay, or provisions. So government has to function. See, what is the necessity? First, government has to function within a set of rules. This reduces the possibility of the misuse of the power and authority they have been given. Yes. Now, for example, the government, it changes after every 5 years, we say. Okay. Means what? It is Congress, it is BJP, whatever it is. We don't care about it. So, if the government is going to change, now, if whoever is the government, whoever it is, if they are the head, if they are going to follow according to the constitution, they cannot make use of their power. Misuse of their power, not use. They cannot misuse their power which they are having. Why? Because they have to follow the rules which are included in the constitution. Are you all getting it? Why? Why is it necessary? That's why it is necessary. Okay? A constitution includes the rights and freedoms of citizens. What rights does it? Is the citizens' right. Okay, so it is included in the constitution. Hmm? Government cannot take away these rights. Whatever the rights are there of the citizenship, the government, it cannot take it. Why? Because that right, that law, that rule is written into the constitution. Therefore, people's rights and freedoms are safeguarded. And therefore, no one can say that this is not your right. This, you cannot do this. Okay, no one can say this. Whoever the government is, whenever the government changes, they cannot say that no, you cannot do this. You are not the citizen of this country. Whatever it is, they cannot say. Why? Because whatever the rules and whatever the laws, fundamental laws are there, they are included in the constitution. So they cannot change it, or say, they cannot misuse it. Getting? Okay. Next, running a country as per the provisions of the constitution is the same as establishing the rule of law. Yes, it becomes easy. All the rules and all the laws are given in the constitution, and according to those rules and laws, the country has to be run. Then there is no scope for the misuse of power or high-handed administration. Yes, means there no one can make the advantage of their power. They cannot misuse the power which they are having. Getting? Yes. So, if a country is run as per the constitution, the faith that the common people have in the government increases. See, this government, this country, whatever is this, means who are they? The people are the main. Okay, because of them, the country is formed, the government is formed, the peoples are elected. So who the common people's faith, okay, means whatever the government is working, they are working for whom? For the common people. Whoever the leaders are there, they are working for whom? They are working for the common people. Okay, so if a country is run as per the constitution, the faith that the common people have in the government increases. Okay, so the people also starts having faith in the government. Then they become keen, means then they become keen on participating in the activities of the government. Means what? They become enthusiastic. They like to do the work. They do everything. The people, they do whatever the government is saying, if they are having that faith in the government. Democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of the people. Okay, democracy, it strengthened. Why? Because yes, people are interestingly participating in whatever the government plans are there. Okay, means see, how is this all? If for example, see, if the teacher is going to take some competition in the class, and teacher tells you all the rules and laws whatever are there of the competition, if whatever the teacher is telling, the students, they like it, then they happily participate in the competition. Same thing is here. If the government, whatever the rules are made, they are for the people, then they happily participate in whatever the government is planning, whatever the government is doing. Are you all getting it? Yes. So democracy is strengthened due to the increased participation of the people. Okay. Now what is the meaning of democracy? Yes. See, democracy, a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typical through elected representatives. Okay, that is a democracy, democratic country. That's why it is said that democracy is strengthened, means whatever the peoples are elected by us, okay, they are all good people. They work for the country. Constitution presents some political ideals before the country. The nation is also bound to act in that direction. Hmm? It creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security and preservation of human rights. So whatever is there, okay, they have to do is for the country, okay, and for the human rights. Since the constitution also includes the list of citizens' duties, it fixes the responsibility of citizens as well. Means only not the rights but the responsibility. What is the only living in the city or in the country is not the thing. You should have that responsibility. As you are the citizen of the country, what is your responsibility? You all should know it. We all should know it. Okay.